Hello dear student, welcome to Department of Zoology, Sri Mulika Devi Mahavidyalaya, Nigoz, Taluka Parner, District Ahmednagar. In previous video lecture, we was started the chapter number second, that is to study the general features of kingdom Animalia. In previous video lecture, we was studied some important aspect of external features of kingdom Animalia. For example, the size of animals, shape of animals, then habitat of animals, then symmetry of animals, then segmentation of animals. These are the most important points regarding external features of kingdom Animalia. These all the points are covered in previous lecture. Now today I will discuss with you a remaining points of features of kingdom Animalia. So let us start to study the general features of kingdom Animalia. In that, now today I will discuss the remaining points of external features of kingdom Animalia. In previous lecture, we was learn what is shape, size, then symmetry, then habitat of animals. Now today we are start next point, that is animal movement. Most of animals are capable for complex and relative rapid movement compared to plants and other animals with the help of different locomotory organs. The animals show these phenomena. They are able to show the rapid movement, or they are easily transfer, they are move one place to the another place compared to the another living organism. For example, plants and other living organism that live rooted to one spot or space are called as sessile. For example, they are, for example, sponge and coleontratans. These animals are included in group of sessile animals. They are rooted, means fixed or fixed or rooted on one spot or one particular space. Are you understand? And those that move around are motiles, means remaining animals. For example, insecta, mollusca, these animals are motile. They are movable. They are easily move from one place to another place. For example, insecta and mollusca. For the movement in animals, different locomotory organs are present, like tentacles, then parapoda, suckers, jointed leg, 2 feet, wings, legs, etc. These are the locomotory organs. By using these locomotory organs, organisms are able to move or transfer from one place to the another place. For example, tentacles, then parapoda, suckers, jointed legs are present in insecta. 2 feet, wings. For example, your birds are using these wings. They are easily locomote, or they show the movement from one place to the another place. Legs, for example, human being, these movement dependent on how animals obtain the foods according to food's requirement and food availability, they are show this movement. Particularly, it is a movement for searching of new place for living, or that is called as shelter, for to the searching of food material, and searching of new partner for copulation, or it will be called as mating purpose. You know, animals are generally move for these purposes by using these organs. I think you are easily understood what is the animal movement. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? By using these organs, they are easily locomote. Next important characteristic of kingdom Animalia, that is segmentation. In some animals, for example, your uh, arthropodal animals. Arthropodal animal are show segmentation. Some animals, the body is externally and internally divided into segment with a serial repetition of least some organs. For example, again, you are very familiar with your example, that is, body is totally divisible in externally as well as internally. Example, you are earthworm. You are known, if you can just remind the photo image of earthworm, you are easily understand the earthworm show. For example, I will try to sketch the diagram of earthworm. These are the earthworm. You know, you are easily understood, and such type of the segmentation are present on the body of earthworm. This segmentation is not just on external surface but in internally also. That is, it is a totally one type of compartment, that is called as segmentation. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? For example, earthworm. I will I was draw this diagram, that is segmentation present on earthworm. The body show this pattern called as metameric segmentation, and phenomena is known as metamerism. If your animals show the totally or complete segmentation, that is externally plus internally, that will be called as metameric segmentation. For example, some animals are show just external segmentation. For example, class insecta. You can take example grasshopper. You know grasshopper body. For example, in here I will make a diagram of grasshopper. And these are the head. Then these are the thorax. Then these are the abdomen. You know, such type of the body are present. Body structure are present on grasshopper. You are easily observed. These are the first segmentation. Then such type of the segmentation are present, but this segmentation is not present in internally. If you are take the example earthworm, they are show internal compartment, so it is called as metameric segmentation, or the phenomena is called as metamerism. I hope you are easily understand what is the segmentation. समझ में आ रहा? कंपार्टमेंट किंवा बॉडीचं सेगमेंटेशन झालेले असते त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? बॉडी सेगमेंटेशन. द कॉल्ड ॲज मॅथमॅटिक सेगमेंटेशन. इट इज ॲबसेंट इन व्हर्टिब्रेट ॲनिमल्स. हायर ॲनिमल्स मध्ये हे टोटली ॲबसेंट दिसतं आपल्याला, किंवा दे आर ॲबसेंट इन व्हर्टिब्रेट ॲनिमल्स. I hope you are understand. Next important point, that is level of organization or grades of organization, means formation of body. बॉडी फॉर्मेशन कशी झालेली आहे ते आपल्याला पाहिजे. ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ किंगडम ॲनिमालिया आर multicellular. All of them do not exhibit the same pattern of cell organization. Means if you can take the number of animals, they never show same pattern of body or cell organization, means formation of body. For example, in sponge, the cell are arranged as lost cell aggregates, that is they are exhibit cellular level of organization, means only cells are present in sponge. You know, sponge do not show or do not have any organs or tissue. Organs in the sense, for example, you can just take the example, your leg, feet, such type of the organization is not present in sponge. They are just show a cell formation, that is called as cellular level of organization. Are you understand? You know, the kingdom animalia show large number of diversity, but this diversity kept one particular their uniqueness or identity regarding their body shape and size. I hope you are easily understand what is the cellular level of organization. Just cells are present. In coleontretons, the arrangement of cell is more complex compared to the this one, that is puriferans. The sponge is example of purifera. Compared to this one, it is more complex. Here the cell performing same function are arranged into tissue. This is very important. um, Arrangement or group of cell make a tissue, that is called as tissue level of organization. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Number of cells are coming together and they make one tissue, that is called as tissue level organization. It is present in coleontretons. A still higher level of organization, that is organ level of organization. Organ level of organization is exhibited by members of platyhelminths and other higher phyla, where tissue are grouped together to form organs, each specialized for particular function. You know, if you can just again try to understand, sponges is cellular level of organization, only cells are coming together and make a animals. Then after the development of animals, for example, that is higher phyla, coleontretons, this coleontreton show n number of tissue, they are coming together and make the tissue, that is called as tissue level of organization. After the again development, that is till higher level of organization, this tissue are coming together and they make the one organ name as, for example, you can take example as your hands are show 5 fingers. Then after the detailed study, you are observing external skin is a one type of thick skin tissue level. Then you are internally observing, or you are easily find out some microscopic cells are present, that is formation of organs in together with a n number of tissue. Then they are make organ level of organization. Are you understand? This organ level of organization is present in higher phyla or higher groups of animals. They are grouped together and form organs. Now, here you can just read this line: group together and form organs. Such specialized organs are performing a particular function. For example, a function of hand is to holding, to capturing some materials. समझ में आ रहा है? Legs for walking purpose. समझ में आ रहा? If you can just take the example sponge, they are never show any type of organs or tissue. यामध्ये ऑर्गन्स किंवा सिस्टीम नसती, just a group of cells, that is called as cellular level of organization. These are a particular organ for the particular function. For example, now you are listening my lecture, so here of your hair will be capturing sound or noise to hearing, then your eyes capturing photo image. प्रत्येकाचं काम प्रत्येक ऑर्गन्स करतोय. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ organization. In animals like Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Chordata, or chordates, organs have associated to form functional system. Each system connected with specific physiological function. This pattern is called as organ system level of organization. अभी देखो इधर, after the development of organ level, now it is again a higher taxon or higher phyla, that is animal like Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, or chordates. This group of animal show a proper functional system by using organ system. These organs are connected with particular or specific physiological function. This pattern is called as organ system of organization. लक्षात येते? या ठिकाणी वन प्रॉपर सिस्टीम फॉर्म झालेली, दॅट इज यू नो डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम. डायजेस्टिव्ह सिस्टीम इज a set of n number of organs, small organs, then small tissue, then cellular organization, then they are complete the digestive system. For example, organ system in different group of animals exhibit a various pattern of complexity. If you are take first example, that is cellular level, that is very simple for the understanding. But if you are coming to the higher phyla, that time you are getting a very complex structure of organs. They are performing different types of functions. For example, the digestive system in platyhelminthes, it is incomplete. Now in platyhelminth, it is incomplete digestive system, has only a single opening to the outside of the body that serve as both mouth and anus. In platyhelminthes, it is a flatworm or tapeworm. They are actually parasitic in nature. They suck the food from the host animals by using their mouth parts, and this system, it is totally incomplete digestive system. They just show one opening on outside of the body and serve as or act as or function as a both, that is mouth and anus. So it is called as incomplete type of digestive system, and hence it is called as incomplete. समझ में आ रहा? A complete digestive system has two opening, for example mouth and anus. These are the called as complete digestive system. Mouth functioning as a feeding purpose and anus functioning as a to excrete out whatever raw material, whatever excreta produce from the animal body, they are excrete out by using anus, and mouth is just capturing, holding and feeding purposes. That is, both the organs are performing totally different function. समझ में आ रहा, एक इनपुट का है, एक आउटपुट का है. Are you understand? Now here in platyhelminthes they show a single opening, माउथ एंड एनस. उधर से ये अंदर जाएगा, उधर से ये बाहर पड़ेगा. आर यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट लास्ट सेंटेंस अबाउट लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, that is similarity. The similarity in the circulatory system may be two types. For example, open type, in which the blood is pumped out from the heart and the cell and tissue are directly bathed in it, and closed type, in which in closed type, in which the blood is circulated through a series of vessels or varying diameters, that is vessel diameters, that is arteries, veins and capillary. Again we are trying to just making simplified this sentence. For example, we are take the example of digestive system, incomplete digestive system and complete digestive system. Now similarity in circulatory system, circulation of whatever your fluid material inside the body, it is happen in two way. For example, open type of circulatory system, in which opening the blood are directly pump out from the heart, यहाँ से, heart से, and they are reach to the cell and tissue. समझ में आ रहा? Directly to connect with the your tissue without any conveyor or without any medium. But if you are take this example, that is closed type of circulatory system, in this system your blood is circulated, they are produced they are proceed from the heart, but your blood is circulated all over body through the n number of vessel. For example, arteries, veins and capillary. You know, arteries are carry the oxygenated blood, then veins carry the deoxygenated bloods, then capillary is mainly function as to reach the bloods or pass to the blood in small organs, small cell of every organ system of particular animal's body. खूप छोटी असती, they are reach out to the each and every organs. समझ में आ रहा? By using this you are easily understand what is the difference between a closed and open type of circulatory system. समझ में आ रहा? ठीक है? These are the whole information regarding your cell or sorry level of level of organization. I hope you are understand what is the concept of level of organization. Next important point, that is diploblastic and triploblastic organization. These are the very important point to the your study purpose. To study the external features of kingdom Animalia, you are necessary to study the what is diploblastic and triploblastic. So in that, the animals in which the cells are arranged in two embryonic layers, that is an external ectoderm and internal endoderms. Means, you know, the external body wall of animals, which are make or composed by two layers. These two layers, external ectoderms and internal endoderms, are called as diploblastic animals. समझ में आ रहा? एक्सटर्नल लेयर ऑफ एनिमल्स by using external ectoderm and internal endoderms, diploblastic animal. Example, coleantrata, coleantratans, and undifferentiated layer, that is mesogala, is present in between the ectoderm and endoderm, that is also called as mesoderm. समझ में आ रहा? They are called as triploblastic, triploblastic animals. Those animals in which the developing embryo has a third germ layer, that is mesoderms, in between the ectoderms and endoderms, are called as triploblastic animals. It is actually higher animals, present in higher animals. For example, platyhelminthes. You know, it is a flat worms or tapeworms. They are easily easily you can divide what is diploblastic and triploblastic animals. These three layers formation or three layers cell formation is present in platyhelminthes 2 chordates, that is higher animals. Are you understand? This is a simple information regarding what is diploblastic and triploblastic animals. I hope you are understand all the points of today's lecture. Remaining points we will discuss in next lecture. If you have any question, any difficulty regarding today's lecture, you can ask me in comment box. I will try to give an answer of your question. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.